Here's another example of using an if, else statement in JavaScript. Here I'm asking the user to enter a day, presumably a day of the week. Warning here, I know you've been using the word number around inputs lately. Perhaps if you want them to enter a number, you write the word number. Here I do not want them to enter a number, so I do not have the keyword number there. Anyway, so I'm asking the user to enter a day of the week, and I'm saying if day equals Saturday, alert, it's the weekend. Else if it's equal to Sunday, it's the weekend. Else, it's a weekday. Once again, notice I'm using two equal signs. Two equal signs in a row is a comparison statement. I'm saying if day is in fact equal to Saturday, then say it's the weekend, and so forth. If I used one equal sign here, again, that's an assignment statement. This is not going to it's not going to work correctly. In fact, it'll assign day Saturday. That's not what I want. So inside an if statements, you must use two equal signs. I know you're going to mess it up even though I'm saying that. So I'm going to try to simplify this a little bit. I'm saying and actually let me just run it super quick. So I'll run the thing, enter a day, I'll say Saturday just to see if it works. And it says it's the weekend, yay. Okay. So I would like to simplify this into just an if and an else. I want to say if it's Saturday or Sunday, it's the weekend. So let me just, rather than having separate cases, let me just get rid of this here a little bit and see if I can compress this. I want to say if day is Saturday. So here is how you write an or statement in JavaScript. You use two of these vertical bars. It's right above the enter key. You have to hit shift and then the symbol right above the enter key. It's right above the backslash. Let me put it that way. Anyway, two of these little vertical bars is how you say or. So I'm saying if day equals Saturday or day equals Sunday, then it's the weekend, else it's a weekday. So I always save and run just to make sure everything works. Let's see. This time I'll enter Sunday. It's the weekend, and of course if I enter something like Monday, it's a weekday. Of course I could have an else if it's Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. I could say it's a weekday. One other little caution, sometimes students are tempted to do this. If day equals Saturday or Sunday, it's the weekend. Java does not know what you're talking about. Don't do that. You have to explicitly say, if you're testing to see if a variable equals something, you have to test it between every or statement. If day equals Saturday or day equals Sunday, then it's the weekend. By the way, of course I could have multiple ors. I could say if day equals Saturday or day equals Sunday, or it's a holiday or something like that, or day equals holiday, then it's the weekend. So I could have as many ors as I want, and I can have ands mixed in with ors. You know, these statements can get very complicated. I want to just do one more thing. What if I wanted to say if day is not equal to Saturday, something or other? How do you say not equal to? Well, that's an exclamation point. Now this is probably not going to make sense in this context, but if day is not equal to Saturday, I could say something like, sorry, it's not Saturday, or something like that. And then maybe I might say, it is Saturday. Let's see if this makes sense. Okay, so the exclamation point equal is how you say not equal to. So here I'm saying if day is not equal to Saturday, sorry, it's not Saturday, else it is Saturday, obviously. So let's save this and give it a run and see if that works. So if I say Saturday, it is Saturday. If I enter anything else, it could be anything, pizza, sorry, it's not Saturday. So that's how you do a not, and I think we've gone over all of the other basic conditionals. Again, the things inside parentheses here, these are called Boolean operators. These are things that evaluate to true or false. And these statements can get very complicated. You can have if day is not Saturday, or day equals Sunday, or day is whatever. You can make this as complicated as you want. All right, so I hope this makes sense for your second if then else, and maybe I'll make one more and we'll go over some more complicated statements.